Hi, welcome to the presentation of the topic supporting kit headers with GTIN, Global Trade Item Number, in the sales order scenario. So the scenario is customers in sales order would like to use a GTIN or UPC, which is a unique identifier for kit header products, as it needs to be charged for the overall kit and scan that UPC rather than the individual products. So for more details, check the blog, which has the more detailed video. So having said this, let's take a look at a short demo in the system. In the system, the scenario starts by maintaining the GTIN in the product master data, which is a kit header product master data. And here we have enabled in the last release to maintain GTIN in the kit header product. So that can be found in the UOM characteristics of the kit header. So once we maintain it and save the data, now we can navigate to the sales order, creation of a sales order. For example, to do so, let's search for the sales order, work center, and navigate to the sales orders. In this case, the sales orders, and click on new sales order, which will launches the sales order creation screen. Enter the customer for which we want to create the sales order for, and navigate and click on the arrow. Here the difference is user could enter, instead of a product ID, user could enter the kit GTIN material ID, and the product is proposed automatically. And when you select it, the kit header and the kit items get populated. So here in the kit product we have two items, yeah, two sub items, which is part of the kit. So with this you are able to create the sales order with a kit header using the GTIN rather than just the product ID. So with this you are able to create the sales order, and the same can be done using the service. So the service would be a SOAP service, which can be found in the application user management, the service explorer, and the service name is manage sales order in. So it has two operations: maintain bundle and the check maintain bundle, and you can use the maintain bundle manage sales order in service to create sales orders using the SOAP web service. So in the EDA scenario, you usually create an instance of the sales order using the API, web service API, and the instance is created. With the new release of 2105, we have introduced or enabled sales order creation with a kit header product with the GTIN ID. So for more details, you can also check the other earlier blog. The earlier blog, which enables GTIN for the over-the-counter sales, explains in detail how to consume the web service. To consume the web service, you need to create certain artifacts like communication system, scenario, and arrangement. Consuming the web service, in this case, the web service is manage sales order in. And after consuming the service, you can test the service by passing the certain details of the product, like the kit ID that can be tested, and the same is also explained along with a sample payload in the new blog. The new blog is about consuming the sales order document, which enables with the GTIN kit header product, which has the details about how to consume the managed sales order in, and which has a sample payload, so it can be tested. The service can be tested as well. Thank you.